Welcome to module IEA1501, which is Inclusive Education Approaches. I'm Dr. Ensa Johnson and the primary lecturer of this module with Dr. Nathan Ferreira, who is the secondary lecturer. This is an online module and therefore you will not receive any printed materials as all your study materials are available online. To give you an outline of the presentation, first we want to welcome you to the module and then introduce the lecturers to you. Thereafter, we will give a short overview of the purpose and scope of the module, and we'll talk about the study material, assessments, and student support, and how you can go about asking for further support through the department. I am Dr. Ensa Johnson, the primary lecturer for this module. Dr. Nathan Ferreira is the secondary lecturer. We are both educators by profession with a vast knowledge and experience in education and academia. But since we are both new appointments at UNISA, it might be that we will not be able to answer some of your inquiries immediately because we don't know what the correct answer is. But we will try to get the information and let you know the outcome of your inquiry. Please remember that when communicating with your lecturers, you should send both of us emails by copying each email to both of us. We try to answer our students within 48 hours, but bear in mind that this excludes weekends or public holidays. The purpose of this module is to prepare early childhood teachers to understand and accommodate the diverse needs, interests, and abilities of their learners. As an early childhood teacher, you will learn to apply your knowledge of the developmental milestones in a flexible way. Moreover, you will be able to conduct early screening, identification, assessment, and support, also known as SIAS, and recognize developmental delays. This module will prepare you to teach diverse learners in inclusive education settings and to provide early intervention and learning support to address barriers to learning. Since this is an online module, no printed study material will be provided. You will see that on the module platform that the study guide is presented online with each unit separately. However, should you want to download the study guide, we did provide the study guide separately on the platform. The PDF of the study guide is available on the welcome page under the links to the assessments. However, the study guide is also available under the link Official Study Material, together with the tutorial letter. The tutorial letter is also referred to as TUT 101. Please familiarize yourself with the contents of the tutorial letter. You will also find the assessments 2 to 4 in the tutorial letter. This is a new model offered by the department and currently no e-resources are available. Please contact us as lecturers should you experience any challenges to get hold of the resources listed in the tutorial letter. There are no recommended books for this module. Ensure that you take note of any notices or announcements via My UNISA, as it might be important information to be aware of. IEA1501 is a continuous assessment module. What this in essence means is that you will not write a formative exam, but rather build on your final mark with the completion of 4 assignments. These assignments are all compulsory, but you will be able to replace one of your assignments if your marks of either assignment 2, 3, or 4 were not satisfactory. Remember, you can only replace one assignment and not all 3. Regrettably, assignment 1 cannot be replaced as this is in a quiz format. However, you have multiple times to improve your mark on this assignment before the due date. The pass rate for this module is 50%, and since it is a continuous assessment module, no supplementary or special exams will be offered. We as lecturers try to assist our students whenever possible. So you will need to use us as a first contact that we can suggest who can support you if we cannot. Therefore, you should contact us as your lecturers first by sending emails to both of us, so you can CC us in your emails to ensure that at least one of us respond to your inquiries. You have to use your My Life email when communicating with us. You are also welcome to call us via Teams. Should you be a student with a disability, please ensure that we as lecturers are informed about it. Although it's not compulsory to disclose your disability, it will help us to assist you accordingly. The university also have a disability unit called ARCSWIT, or University Advocacy and Resource Center for Students with Disabilities, whom you can contact if you are a student with disabilities for further support. Whenever you experience challenges with us as lecturers and you need further assistance, communicate with the program coordinator. This information is included in the student support card that is part of the TUT 101 letter. When you communicate with any university staff member, remember to include your name, surname, student number, and the module in your communication. And you should also use your My Life email account. We wish you all the best in your studies. Kindly work systematically and do everything you can to benefit from this module and the program. Do not hesitate to contact us whenever you experience challenges. Please complete the evaluation form when we request you to do so, as this helps us to improve the teaching of this module. Thank you for your attention. We wish you all the best for this year.